there. I'm so excited to get to work with you this year. Welcome to 5th grade. My name's Mrs. Wallace. I know a lot of you, but there may be a few of you that I'm not real familiar with, but I hope to get to know you really well this year, whether you're here at school or you're at home. No matter what, we're going to have a great year. Let me take you on a tour of our room. The first thing you're probably going to notice when you come into my classroom is a lot of superhero themed decor. So I have 3 rules in my classroom. Play nice, be kind, and definitely always work hard. So here's some tips about how we can be a superhero. Always be doing our best. Following the directions, that's really, really important. Raise your hand to speak. Be kind and helpful to each other. Say please and thank you. Dream big. That will take you a long way. Listen when someone else is talking. Be a team player, and definitely be responsible. As you move around the back of the classroom, you're going to come to a horseshoe table. This horseshoe table is designed for us to do guided reading together and some other small group activities. Big whiteboard back there decorated with lots of science and reading and superhero theme stickers. You'll see some action-based learning tools, things like the pool noodles, the cushions. Those are things that we'll use throughout the day just to get you up and moving and just to make it comfortable if you're sitting around the room and reading. You'll notice on this bookshelf there's lots of critical thinking games, some language games that we'll play together during enrichment. We're going to call that win time now, and during reading language arts class. Everyone's favorite thing is the Lego bins. That's down here in the white drawers. I hope we'll get to play some Lego challenges together. Of course, I've got my big world map and United States map there. We reference that a lot when we're talking about weather and climate and just geographical regions of the world. You're going to see lots of bookshelves in my classroom this year because, yes, Miss Wallace is also teaching reading this year. So we've got our bookshelf that has our dictionaries, thesauruses, and some other classroom reading material. This bookshelf is going to be your favorite. This is going to be your independent reading bookshelf where you get to pick the book that you want to read, and there's so many good titles here. You'll notice there's a sticker on the wall that says technology. You know what I hope gets there? I hope there's a Chrome cart full of Chromebooks. We may not get it till October or a little bit later, but I cannot wait until we get all of those Chromebooks for you. There's Spider-Man and Iron Man. They love to read. Now this bookshelf over here in the corner, this metal bookshelf, that is my personal library. So you're going to see lots of science-themed books there, lots of social studies books, just some cool reading books. You're thinking, Miss Wallace, what in the world are all those green baskets? Those green baskets are your independent baskets to carry all of your personal school supplies. You noticed how the school supply list was different this year. You didn't have to go buy pencils and markers and map pencils. We're providing all of that for you. You're just coming with a backpack, some earbuds, face mask, and hand sanitizer. So what you're going to do is you're going to carry these baskets with you between my class and your math and social studies teacher's class, which, hey, this is super awesome. It's Mrs. Kutch. Can you believe that? So each one of you will have your own basket. It's going to stay in here, and it's going to have all of your supplies because we're not going to share supplies this year. Now, I'm one of the lucky ones that I get this gigantic iPad. That's literally what it is. It's a screen, it's a smart board, but it works just like a gigantic iPad in the room. So super, super cool. And Miss Kutch has one too. You'll notice some folders over here on the wall. If you're absent, these are your makeup folders. This is what you're going to check. But we are going to be putting everything on Google Classroom. So if you're absent and you're able to do your work at home on Google Classroom, you can do it there and turn it in. Now, I'm going to just kind of skim by my desk because it's crazy messy right now. But that's my headquarters. That's where I house. I'm still working on getting that cleaned up before you get here next week. You'll notice we've got lots of desks. Yes, they are spaced out. We currently have 19 students assigned to our classroom. Some are choosing to do virtual learning, and some are going to be here next week. So I can't wait to see all of you, whether that's via the computer or you are sitting here at a desk. You'll notice some desks have chairs and some desks have wobble stools. I have 10 wobble stools. Miss Williams and I, we both share those, and so she has 10 and I have 10. So we'll switch those up each day so everybody gets a chance to sit on those. Now, when you come in the classroom, one of the main areas you're going to want to look at is over here on the board where you see science and RLA and enrichment. This is where you're going to see your objectives posted of what we're going to do that day and what I hope that you learn. And of course, we've got our flags. Hope you haven't forgotten the pledges over spring and summer break. So we'll resume those. You've got the ball bin here. So when you bring your basketball, your footballs, tennis ball, whatever you want to do to play at recess. These blue baskets, those are going to be your turn-in baskets. So that's where you're going to turn in your fabulous work. Yes, you're going to see lots of hand sanitizer around the building this year, some spray bottles with alcohol. Those are going to be super important. Some fun things that I've made to try to remind you how to stay safe together. And we're going to go over these that first day of school, some things that we can do to social distance and to keep the germs to ourselves. So you'll all get these pages and we'll go over those together, okay? So that's just a quick tour of the classroom.